So all these details that have been shared, they were very insightful, and I think we could really see that how all the necessary documents are uploaded during the different transactions that are happening, and that way they are always available anytime in the Infoman EDMS. And I think it was also very clear by the presentation that that these documents are readily available at the times of need, and on so many parameters we can search, like mobile number and many other things. Also, it is very easily we can retrieve, which is really a struggle when we are not paperless, to really retrieve and find out the correct document quickly. So I also felt that generally in every organization we have lots of important documents, but they are in the form of unstructured data. And I think by using Infoman, it becomes structured data and in the form of organized documents, like what I saw, that when we searched on that particular person, so all the documents were available to us. So I think I'm sure it must have helped our customers a lot. And so now I would like you both to share with us that how has been the experience of our customers. I mean, what are the benefits that they are getting by going paperless using Infoman EDMS? Yeah, so please share.
Yeah. So we have recently done a case study on one of the largest automobile dealership in Delhi with multiple outlets and thousands of employees. And the benefits observed after implementing this feature was immense. And the first benefit was the reduced operating cost. So the cost of physical storage was one of the main reasons to go paperless. Considerable amount of storage space was reduced and used for some other purpose. And also going paperless, the cost of equipment such as printers, papers, toners, and filters were also reduced. The second benefit was the increased security. So the papers, when physically moving between offices and departments and personnel to personnel, were subject to data theft, unlike when saved in a computer system with protected security features. By going paperless, the critical information were held safely in the cloud, and it was backed up, and which ensured that the critical documents and informations were safe even in case of disasters. The next benefit was the improved productivity. The paper processes were very elaborate and very slow, and spending time hunting through the piles of papers were slowing down the response time. Here in Infoman, after using this feature, they can now download the documents in a single click of the mouse, which saves a lot of business time. And the next benefit was increased validation. A system does not process further as long as the mandatory documents are not received. For example, in our application, if you can define the mandatory documents, without the documents, the system will not process further. This helps the dealership to collect all the mandatory documents and upload it in each process wherever it is required. The next benefit was easier information access. As the documents were stored on the web, so all the authorized people could access the documents at any time from anywhere. This makes it easier for the team members to work together and faster. So in short, if I say in the bullet points, so within the benefits were within few seconds the documents are uploaded and retrieved, and the document manipulation and the loss of document was reduced to 0%. Productivity improved, and the document security improved to 100%. No additional manpower, no additional space required for storage, and printing and stationery costs also reduced. And at the end, finally, the profitability increased. So these are the major benefits what we found through our case study. Thank you.
Very wonderful. Thank you. And Ms. Lata, would you like to share the benefits reported by your customers?
Sure, ma'am. Thanks. After done a case study on dealership, what I found that before it requires a team physically to manage all the documents at each location, but right now it has been reduced by up to half. Person don't need to be physically available at the location. They can access the document anywhere. Only those user who is having rights to access the documents can view and fetch information from Infoman. For the auditors also, to audit the books, they don't need to ask hard copy of the documents because they view it online. It saves a lot of manpower time of the dealership. Auditors don't need to available physically at the dealership. They can audit the books by sitting at their own office. Tends up to less manpower needed at dealership. And here what I found, increased customer satisfaction also. Customer satisfaction has been increased by up to lot in terms of paperless documentation. User don't need to ask again and again once it is uploaded on cloud. Efficiency increased, of course. Efficiency has been increased with paperless working in Infoman. It is faster and accurate. The electronic filling system of paperless is faster than the manual file system. With digital document system has everything you need to be found by clicking a button in 2 seconds. It increases efficiency also in dealerships. And last but not the least, saving the environment also. Saving environment is one of the reason why we are going paperless instead of physical paper working. For 50,000 pages, we have to cut 100 trees daily. Yes, it is environment saving also. Approximately half of the business waste consists of paper and office use. It is an eco-friendly idea given by Infoman.
Thank you so much. And thank you for sharing all the details. It was really great. Thank you.